Unpack the product, take out the earbuds, ear tips, ear hooks, charging cable, and user manual. The user manual contains detailed operation instructions. The device must be charged before first activation. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to power on. First time use of X1 meeting requires activating the earbuds. Select your system language. Tap the Wi-Fi connection icon. After entering the password and connecting to Wi-Fi, follow the prompts to enter the activation page. Take out the earbuds and peel off the insulating sticker. Place them back to activate. After successful activation, you can start using all translation features. If activation fails, take out the earbuds again and reactivate. To charge the earbuds, simply place them back into the charging case and close it, and charging will begin. How to charge the charging case. Connect a Type-C cable to the charging port. The screen lights up and charging starts. This feature works best when the network is stable and the signal is strong. Create a meeting. Enter the language settings interface. For formal meetings, you can enable the sensitive word filter mode in the upper right corner. To ensure meeting content compliance, on the language settings page, first select the language used by the speaker. Then select all the languages required by the attendees. After making your selections, tap Next. After entering the meeting invitation page, follow the instructions to invite other meeting devices to join. After officially entering the meeting, the host needs to wear both earbuds. If someone else needs to join the meeting during the meeting, the host can also tap the invite button in the upper right corner to go to the invitation interface. X1 meeting devices on the same local network will receive a meeting invitation pop-up, or you can enter the meeting ID manually. Tap again to switch to the meeting QR code interface, making it easy to invite other online devices to join the meeting. The host can mute and mute all participants. After muting, other devices cannot speak. Tap again to unmute. When the host speaks, the system performs real-time multilingual translation and pushes it simultaneously to all meeting devices. On the same local network, listeners using X1 meeting devices can join the meeting in two ways. First, after the host enters the invitation interface, the device will automatically pop up a meeting invitation and join directly upon invitation. If you miss the automatic invitation pop-up, tap Join Meeting. Select a nearby meeting, or enter the meeting ID manually to join. After entering the meeting, enter your participant name and confirm. Enter the language selection interface. Select your listening language, completing the meeting configuration. Wear the earbuds as instructed. You can hear other participants' speech and real-time translation. If you need to interact and speak, after the host unmutes, you can take turns speaking using the device's selected language. Your speech will be translated into other languages in real time and pushed simultaneously to all meeting devices. Mobile devices join the meeting by scanning a QR code. The host taps the invite button in the upper right corner, switches to the meeting QR code interface. Scan the QR code with your mobile phone to enter the meeting page. Confirm and enter the language selection interface. Select your listening language, completing the meeting configuration. Enter your participant name. If you want to hear the translation on your mobile device, tap the upper right corner to turn on the speaker volume. You can connect personal earbuds to hear other participants' speech and real-time translation. If you need to speak, press and hold the talk button. Release to send automatically. Your speech will be translated in real time into all configured languages and pushed simultaneously to all meeting devices. To join the meeting from a computer, open a browser. Enter the URL. Manually enter the meeting ID and click Join Meeting. After entering the meeting interface, enter your participant name and confirm. Enter the language selection interface. Select your listening language, completing the meeting configuration. If you want to hear the translation on your computer, you can connect personal earbuds to hear other participants' speech and real-time translation. If you need to interact and speak, click the talk button with your mouse to speak, release to send automatically. Your speech will be translated in real time into all configured languages and pushed simultaneously to all meeting devices. Each earbud can pick up sound. When wearing both earbuds, a fixed primary pickup channel is assigned, so when wearing only one earbud, please tap the speech bubble on the outer side of the earbud. If wearing only one earbud, tap the Switch Pickup Earbud button at the bottom of the interface to ensure the earbud you are wearing is the pickup earbud. Participants can tap the language bar at the top at any time to switch their personal language without affecting the normal progress of the meeting. The above is the complete operation process for X1 meeting multi-person translation meeting. The host can complete translation-related configurations in the settings. You can modify the default meeting name. You can enable or disable large model translation, translated voice playback, original text display, and web client speaking permission. Enabling large model translation improves translation accuracy. When disabled, translation response is faster. The web client speaking toggle controls whether devices such as phones and computers can speak. When disabled, devices such as phones and computers can only listen and cannot speak. One-on-one conversation mode is suitable for face-to-face cross-language translation between two people. Only one X1 meeting device is needed. First, select one-on-one conversation mode. Set your own language and accent and the other person's earbud language and accent respectively. Then take out the earbuds, one for each person. After setting up, you can start a free conversation. The system will automatically perform real-time simultaneous interpretation. The translation content will be displayed simultaneously on the host screen. Both parties can clearly hear the translation in their respective languages. Listen and play mode is suitable for listening to meetings, speeches, training, etc. on site. Set the host's recording language and the earbuds receiving translation language respectively. After putting on the earbuds, place the host close to the audio source you want to translate, and it will record in real time and play the translation. If you need a brief exchange while in listen and play mode, tap the screen to speak. The system will automatically play the translation aloud for quick communication. If you need to connect to a speaker for external translation playback, tap the external speaker option in the upper right corner to search and connect to a speaker. Media translation is suitable for remote phone calls or online meeting translation. X1 meeting can connect via Bluetooth to computers, mobile phones, and other electronic devices to translate video and audio content in real time. Tap to select media translation. Follow the instructions to enter the Bluetooth connection page. On your electronic device, find Timekettle X1 meeting and connect via Bluetooth. Select the host's recording language and the earbuds translation language respectively. Put on both earbuds. Now you can listen to the translation in real time and speaking your own language. If, when using conferencing software, you find that the translator does not recognize or translate, check in the conferencing software whether the speaker and microphone options are set to X1 meeting. Ask and Go handheld translation mode, suitable for quick exchanges. Press and hold the host's home button for 2 seconds to enter the language selection interface. Select the languages for both conversation parties. After setting up, press and hold the home button to speak. The system will automatically recognize the speaker's language. Release the button to automatically play the translation. One-on-one conversation mode and listen and play translation mode support offline translation. Other translation modes do not support offline translation for now. At this time, offline translation is disabled. Tap here to download and select the desired offline language. Enable offline translation. After entering translation, tap the settings icon in the upper right corner to adjust translation speed. Tap settings in the upper left to view translation history. Tap the upper right corner to generate meeting minutes files. Connect a data cable to your computer. After connecting to a Windows computer, the Timekettle X1 meeting folder will appear. Enter the folder to export. For Mac computers, first download Android file transfer. Connect, and the Timekettle X1 meeting folder will appear. Enter the folder to export. If any anomalies occur during use, you can upload logs to the backend and contact customer service. Tap Contact Us under Settings. Tap the upper right corner to upload logs. The system and earbuds will update and upgrade from time to time. Please tap System Settings in Settings to update the earbuds and system. If you encounter problems during use that cannot be resolved, you can first press and hold the power button for 20 seconds, or perform a factory reset via System Settings in Settings to troubleshoot and resolve issues. For users with relatively large ear canals, you can put the ear tips on the earbuds, and then wear them on your ears to improve stability. For users with relatively small ear canals, you can use the ear hooks to clip the earbuds, and then hang them on your ears.